Welcome back to my channel, guys. And today I want to talk about Claude Projects, which is very important. Claude Project is like an organized workspace where you can, let me say, virtually save your document. Let me say save, yes, save your documents and update it anytime you want. So it also has a memory space that summarizes the chat you've been having with Claude for on that particular project. Let me give an example. See this list of charts that I have at the left hand side of my Claude. There are series of charts here, and the reason why Claude Project is better than having this type of unorganized chart here is because Claude Project allows you to distinctly organize your project so that you can monitor any chart you are sending over across to Claude. Let me show you Claude Project. Let me show you how it is. This is Claude Project here. See, I'm optimizing my second YouTube channel. This is my Apex Resume website. Then this is my YouTube analysis. The moment I click on project on Claude, the moment I click on this, I will know that this particular project is meant for my second YouTube channel. This particular one is meant for my Apex Resume website. I have a website that automatically writes CV for people. So I can create a project on that website and then tell Claude to help me analyze that website so that the website can reach more people. So that's the major importance of this particular project. Then this particular project is for my major YouTube channel. So, and I created this project so that Claude can help me to analyze my YouTube channel and then tell me what else to do to reach more audience. So that's the major importance of this particular project. And then this is my second YouTube channel. I can decide to delete this particular one and then recreate it from the start so as to show you how I created this particular project. So you can now see the advantages of chatting, of creating projects on Claude, so when compared to just the normal chat that we are originally used to. So if you want to create Claude project, just come to this side, click on project, then click on new project. Then the new project I want to work on is optimizing my second YouTube channel. And then what am I trying to achieve? That's my goal. I will just copy this. So this is what I'm trying to achieve here. Oh, sorry, it has gone. So this is what I'm trying to achieve here. I want to grow my second YouTube channel and all the rest of them, then create project. So the project has been created. Now on this interface we have the memory here. Supposing we have plenty of chat, maybe supposing I've created this project a long time ago and I've sent some prompt to Claude. Claude is going to summarize those prompts, and then the analysis it gave me inside those prompts is going to summarize them here under this memory. Then the instruction, you can give some specific or well tailored instructions to Claude regarding your project. I can click on this plus sign and then I can tell Claude to ensure you thoroughly analyze every prompt before giving the output. So I want any prompt I give to Claude regarding this particular project, I want Claude to do a deep analysis before giving me the expected output. So I will save the instruction. So your own instruction might can be different. So that depends on you. Then files, you can upload any document or any file on your project and then give prompts any corresponding prompt. So like now I'm working on my second YouTube channel. I can decide to tell prompt to design a banner for me. Maybe I've been try to design the banner using the software but I'm not getting it. I can download that banner from that particular software, then upload it here by clicking this plus sign and then give Claude a prompt to help me create a better banner by following that particular footstep. So Claude is going to do a better job. Now I'm going to let me screenshot the analysis part of my second YouTube channel and then tell Claude to help me analyze the particular screenshot. So I'm going to screenshot this and then send it over to Claude for analysis. So let's see how it's going to be. Okay, so I'm sending it. So this is the analysis part of my second YouTube channel. Tell me what, sorry, tell me what I need to do to increase visibility. So that's a prompt. So and in no time Claude is going to, so it's already giving me the answers. So 22 views, 0.2 watch hours. Normally is a very new channel, so I'm not expecting anything more than this. So and it's giving me way back like how to increase my visibility. So this project, I will know that this particular prompt will stay in this particular project. Now if I want to share this, the content of my project, if I want to share it to a third party, I will click on share. Then I can keep private or create a public link. So if I click on create a public link, it's going to give me a link that I can send to any of my third party friend. So I'm not actually interested in that. I will go back, then I can come back here. So this is the first interface. That was when I created the project. So I can, if I start it here, start project is going to bring it here. So it will be very easy for me. Anytime I enter Claude, I can just go to that website easily. And you can also find that same, this same star, this star feature, you can also find it here. So this is the project I'm working on. Just click on these three dots, star. So it's going to bring it here. Optimize my second YouTube channel. So and then these are the other project I'm currently working on. So if you are using the free version of Claude Claude, so you have limited project that you can actually work on. But if you are using the paid version, you can work on as many projects as possible. So you cannot see the advantage of using Claude projects when compared to the normal charts that we are originally used to. This one is not well organized. You can actually miss any important details if you continue using this, most especially if you are working on a very vital project that you need to distinguish from every other chart. So I will implore you use Claude project for that purpose. So thank you so much guys, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Thank you.